Hi guys, it's gonna be a video without my hands, but I lost my thing, so I'm using my drum set since it has clear things. See, it's clear. So I'm just gonna place it like that, and I'm gonna show you how to make a play button for 10. So if you heard that, but I was coughing, and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. Sorry if it isn't well. I'm going to show you how to make a play button for 10 subscribers. Because I just earned 10 subscribers. Okay, let's get right to it. It's going to take a few seconds to get to the pause button. Okay, some of you guys like Michael T. If you want to, he'd make you one. Just ask me on school on Tuesday. This is what it's going to look like, only I made mine blue because my favorite color is blue. Ask if you want a different color than what I'm doing now, which is red. It's not really a how-to video. It's just like a showing, because why not? Because if some people have it, they could do it. Aww. There's so much kitty. Now goes resting under the computer table. Okay, let that die. Okay. You could use any sort of gluing source that you have. I just have a hot glue gun. Oh, the hot glue stick fell out. Glue stick fell out. And now, wait. I'm using a hot glue gun because that's the only gluing source that I found right now. But you're gonna need a piece of origami that's a square, a little red triangle, which you could cut out of with a piece of paper, piece of red paper, and then let's get to it. Time to get folding. I guess I fold. Yeah, I folded it in. I'm not sure this is exactly how I did it. Gonna have it like, and now you can't see what I'm doing. Fold it with one side in far, then one side in a little closer, and then use your gluing source. Then glue that one side down. You can glue both sides down if it's easier. And be careful with hot glue if you're doing it on your by yourself. Okay, fold the right way. Making a play button for 10 subscribers. I'm showing how to make it. I already explained what to do. I just have to fold it now. And if you're wondering why I just said it, I was told my mom. Okay, now there. Now, it just depends on what size you want yours. I folded mine in half. About. On again. Huh? I know. Oh, I just noticed. Whoever gets this one is like the actual YouTube sign, right? Because YouTube has a red sign. Because I'm gonna do like a contest just to do like random. Yeah, you heard that. I'm doing a contest. You could come as many times as you want. And it has to be multiple people or else it's not going to be a contest. Now if you folded it however big you want it, now fold the corners.
You're not showing it.
Huh?
You're not showing it.
I know. I'm showing it after I do it. Okay, bye, Mama.
I'll be back. Bye. I need my phone.
I'm recording the video.
What? Something happened. No way you're there. Oh, it's empty. I had to leave soon.
I didn't know this would take so long.
Oh.
You have to fold the corners down and then glue them.
Bye.
Bye. And I just noticed I got like a diamond play button. I don't know what went wrong here. I think it went uneven. Okay. Ooh, that scared me. Just gonna trim it a little. Make it a little less sharp. Well, it's done. There, you're done. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.